Hey, it's Cooking with Bob. Welcome back to my kitchen. We're gonna throw down some home fried potatoes for breakfast. Let me show you how I do it. Quick, easy. Stick around. This is gonna be simple. You can try it at home. Let's just get these cut up. You can make them a lot of different ways. You can cube them, slice them, but I'm gonna slice them today. They're a little bit thinner. They'll cook more evenly. So I got those all sliced up. Check them out. They're probably a 1/4 inch or so. Try to keep them cut about the same thickness, that way they'll cook more evenly. So I'm just gonna use some grapeseed oil, and you wanna put a good bit in the pan. I had it on medium, I moved it down to medium low. Just wanna kinda coat this, pretty heavy actually. Decent amount of oil in there. Let's get these taters in that cast iron skillet. Now this oil heated up, we'll just dump them in here. Oh, one got away, always one. And you just want to get these a little bit coated with oil. Move them around, let them all get a little bit of oil. I don't put too much seasoning on early in the cooking process because burned seasoning tastes terrible, but salt and pepper's fine. So we'll hit them with a little of the pepper mill. And a little bit with the salt grinder. And we'll just give these a little bit of a stir. And the goal here is just get a little brown. Use the smaller of my cast iron skillets, and probably would have been better to use a bigger one, but we'll make this work. That's what 50 years of cooking does for a guy. You figure out how to make it work. I don't know about you, but you can't have fried taters without an onion. Let me get this chopped up. All right, we'll get the last piece here. Just dicing them up today. You can cut them how you like. You don't have to listen to the YouTube guy. If you like them bigger chunks, make them bigger chunks. If you like them small chunks, make them smaller chunks. Take a look at these taters. Starting to get a little crispy on the bottom, I can feel. You can see most of the oil is starting to be absorbed and cooked off. Next thing I usually do, just put a little water in there, help them steam, get them done on the inside. That'll help them steam a little bit. Give these a little stir. It's just helping get the inside of them taters nice and soft. Starting to get there. Have a way to go. Pretty easy way to cook home fries. And most of the water's about gone here, so you just have to be careful you don't let them all get stuck. You can see they're getting soft. Some of them are starting to fall apart a little bit. That's what we want. And at this point, you can go ahead and season to your liking. I'm just going to put a little bit of minced garlic in the pan. I don't know, probably a tablespoon. Get a little more black pepper. And a smidge of salt. Not a huge salt guy. Little Tony's just to kick it up a notch. And we'll be ready for these beautiful onions, so let's get them in here. Just one onion, we'll just stick him in there. We love onions, so that's a lot for some people. If it is, don't listen to the YouTube cooking guy, just do it how you want. That's my way. If you like onions, put them in. You don't, that's okay too. We're gonna turn this down a smidge. Run that down to low so we don't scorch anything. And we'll just give this a big stir. We should be starting to brown them. You can see it's starting to stick to the bottom slightly. Nice and soft. So just let those simmer for a while, and shouldn't take but a few more minutes. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick video on how I make home fried potatoes. Quick, easy, delicious. And as always, if you like my videos, you probably ought to smash that subscribe button, hit that like, and leave a few comments. Y'all have a great day.